Howdy! Your Pixel host is here, and here to proudly present to you our 10th installment. So here goes to the nature of things and of nature's beauty. Here you'll be seeing is 17 tricks within this one that goes into the nature of summer. Without any further ado, let's get to it right now. So get those excellence off me, and let's get around to him right now. But before we do, I want to open up with a little naturific magic trick. The vanishing rock. You can see here, so this rock behind here, and actually, it's make the rock to vanish in an instant. Since now that I did a little bit of a nature magic trick, you're going to be seeing more magic tricks involving nature. And here, I have a tricks table all neatly, nice and prepared. You see just right over here. It looks very naturific. Now here is where I'll call up our first trick from here. And that goes into trick number one. This one here is what I like to call the magic rock to turtle magic trick. Here's what this rock to turtle will look like. For this, I think I'm gonna find a rock first. Where? How about let's check way over there. Okay, so you can see, I think I might see one just from right over, let's see here. There we go. So here now, I grab this nice little interesting rock you see right here. How about we could use this and change it into a turtle? The impossible. Because now I'm going to take this rock and change it into just that. So with this, I'll just place this into my hand just like this. You'll see what this rock now will do. Okay, watch. Whoa! Rock turtle! Look at that! It magically just morphed right into a turtle. From rock to a turtle in the palm of my hand. So how did I do this one? I is about to reveal the nature secret to you right now. So what you'll need for this magic trick are only two nature things. And that is one, a rock, and two, a turtle. Here is a fake turtle you see right here. And you need is the rock that's in the same size and shape of the turtle. What you want to do is have this into your pocket of your pants before the magic trick is pulled. So here, this now will go into your pants, the turtle, like that. That way, you can sew the rock first. Have them take a look at it, so it has empty, and then as they take a look at it, now is the time that you, at a slant, get the turtle in your hand, collect the rock. We're gonna drop the turtle off into your hand like this, and take the rock out like this, and point. Give the rock a ditch. So with the fingers, wave with the magical fingers, or if you want to, you can get very naturific with that, and just like look for a twig. Wave over like this, and say to the nature of summer, like that, and by magic, have that rock turn into the turtle in the palm of your hand. You see, just here. It's a very naturific magic trick that you could do just right at the park and at the beach, let alone around trees and rocks. As you see, this will be right here in the back of me. And that right there's how you do the magic trick to the magic rock to turtle magic trick. there. It gets the rock in there as well as the turtle of summer in with that one. Okay, so what is our next trick? We're going to get into our trick number 2. That goes to the Great Summer Seashell Trick Gag. Is what this will look like. Where do seashells like to be? Somewhere where the sand is. As is, I'll see you at the sandy part to where we'll go and get a seashell. Okay. So here we get to a seashell that's just right over here in the sand. We'll go and something very magical with this. I wonder what the seashell has. Whoa. A worm! Whoa! And that just came from the seashell. Wow. How is that earthly possible? A worm from a seashell. Interesting. So how is this one done? Well, I guess I'm gonna have to reveal the nature secret to you right now. Here's what you'll need to pull this one off. And that is what you'll see right here. You'll need is a seashell, big, and you'll need is this magic worm. This actually came from a store. It's called the magic worm. It also has some thread onto it. If you don't have thread, you can use invisible thread. What you want to do is going to preload this into the shell like this. That's why it needs to be big so it can fit nicely like this. You're going to hide the nose part of the worm like this. Use the thread like this and go over the back of your hand like this. And you're going to is ever so slowly is pull this like this, showing the seashell in your hand. Actually, on the seashell and have to climb out like that, or you can just take it out. So whatever you prefer to pull this amazing, summerific, naturific trick that you could do with a seashell and the magic worm you see just right here in the palm of my hand. And that's how you do the trick gag to the summer seashell trick gag. What you can do because it involves the seashell and the Acer's worm you see just right here. Since we're getting into the nature of it, we can get down to one part of the nature, and that is to a rock. Not just any rock, but a white rock. By magic, we'll get something earthly surprising from it. Coming into our trick number 3. And that goes to the magic white rock turtle magic trick. And so this will look like. For this, I will see you where a lovely batch of rocks are. Come follow me, and you'll see what we can find with that, and see if there's a nice white rock where it is. I'll see it there. Okay, so here I am with a lovely bunch of rocks right here. It almost looks like a nice rock quarry from over there. Now that I think I see something that's kind of standing out right there. I think that's a white rock. All eyes to ground level to see this interesting rock just right here that I'm pointing at. Right there. Whoa. Wow. I wonder what we could do with this white rock you see just right here. I just take this nice white rock here, gonna actually hold it like this. Watch. Gonna actually is just to give it some warmth. Oh, whoa! From a white rock from I got from over here, and now look, we have a turtle coming right out of the white rock. Wow! Mother Nature! How is that possible? Wow. I guess it's Mother Nature's wonder magic. So how did I do this? So this is done right now. All you need is this other turtle one. This actually is a statue. It's a white egg, but if you turn it this way, it looks like one of the rocks you see just over here. So that's what I got to is this flipped upside down like this creates the rock. Place this into the pile of rocks, well that way it'll sell as one of the rocks. This is just turned down just like this. Then you're gonna place this down to where the rocks are, just like from over here, and then you can just go, okay, see, and they'll just take this white rock. Make sure that you hide that and only show the rock part like this. Well, holding on to it, transfer it into your other hand like this, and cover it, hand over, and then you're going to is warm up that white rock. But just going like this, going to rub like that, and going, and let's do air blow like that, and then you're gonna go like this, hand over like that, loosely, boom, away, and by magic, what comes out of it happens to be a turtle from the white rock. There it gets the turtle involved with this one. And that right there is how you do and perform the magic trick to the magic white turtle rock magic trick. There definitely brings more great summer nature in with that one. So what are we getting get to next but to our trick number 4. That goes to the magic earth silk to toad magic trick. Is what this will look like. Here is the Mother Nature's performance to you right now. So here I got my earth silk here. I'm gonna actually is to turn this into a toad. I wonder. I've never done this before. It's entirely new to this. Let me just go and get myself a stick. How about this? Okay, watch this. Whoa! What has happened? By magic, I just placed the earth silk in my hand, and it turned into a toad. Whoa, that's cool. No, don't worry, there's some magic in these twigs here. So how did I get the earth silk to turn into a toad? As it is about to reveal the secrets. Here's what you'll need for this one. What you'll need is your magician's thumb tip. There's silk, which is right here, and the toad to go with it. Right here. What you want to do is so off of the toad like this. Make sure you keep the legs, fold it down like that, because it's a fake one here. You're gonna get your silk here and hold it with the thumb tip in the back like this. You're going to is place this in, same time as you place the toad in like this. Make sure you don't see that, and you're going to is put it into your thumb tip like this, like that. And then you're going to is take it out like this, and then go get yourself a twig from the ground. Since there's twigs here, we'll go and give this a ditch while you go and grab the nearest twig like this. I'll just use this one. You're gonna wave over like this, and get the toad to form in the palm of your hand from the earth's silk into a toad in the middle of your palm. You see just right here. And just like summer magic, it just disappears off my palm. And that right there is how you do the magic trick to the magic earth silk to toad magic trick. There it brings more nice in there, let alone the toad, the summer toad, and the earth silk sash in with that one as well too. Very naturific, because you can add a twig for a magic wand. Coming in down to our next one we get to, but to our trick number 5, that goes to the one magic tree leaf magic trick. Here's what this will look like. For this, I'll see you next to a tree, where I'll grab a leaf from the tree for this one. You can see here, I got a leaf right here on this ground tree. Let me just get this little tear off like that. I'm gonna actually is to take this one leaf. Gonna just do this and very quickly watch. That turns into a tree frog. As you can see, just right here. So how did I do this one? By that one leaf, as is about to reveal the leaf secret to you right now. I was gonna leaf you off with this one. Here's what you'll need to pull the leaf from the tree and turn it into the frog. And so you'll see right here, it is a leaf that has a frog in the back. It's actually an ornament with the leaf and the frog just right here. You're going to come up to a nearest tree or a bush tree. This is actually a bush tree right here. You're going to is line up the leaf like this, make sure this is turned down, and place it where the leaves are like this. So you're going to hold it on like that, so it's one with the leaves. You're going to is bring it off like that. This now is facing down. I'm going to say, watch this, what I could do with this leaf. You're going to hold it into your hand like this, and do it that way, or do what I did. Go in like this, and go like that. Now, if it's twisted like this, it's okay too, because you can see the head. Then you can just get a little twist like that, and show what the leaf turned itself into. The leaf, right into a tree frog. You see? Just right here. Ribbit, 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 ribbit. I just had to do that. That's a cool, nature-terrific magic you could do with the tree, you see right here, that's waving at you, and the frog to go with it. That will now magically turn back into a leaf by simply rotating this around very quickly, like this. Back into the leaf. And that right there is how you do and perform the magic trick to the one magic summer tree leaf magic trick. To our next magic trick we get to here in the great outdoors, nature's beauty. We're going to get down to our nature's beauty trick number 6, and that goes to the great dancing rock hippo gag. Here's what this will look like. Okay, see here, I got my little hippo here. Watch. It's dancing, doing the summer dance. So how is it actually doing that? As it is, I'm gonna reveal the secrets. So how did I get this hippo to dance? Well, I'm gonna show you how the hippo was dancing where the rocks were. This right here, definitely rocks on. Okay, so here's what you'll need to get for this, and that is this dancing hippo right here. It actually is a wind up that has a mechanism that when you twist this, the feet will rock back and forth. Make sure you have a pile of rocks, that way you can make it like a little platform for it to sit upon, like this. Put a rock there, twist there, you know, hold this down, like this, and you just have it to go onto a little rock here and have it to come with a little stage there. Make sure you get like a little flat rock there, so that you can like, just stand upon it like this, like that. No, if it's gonna fall down, it looks like the it's doing break dancing, like it's break dancing. Never seen a hippo do break dancing before. Okay, yeah, that's something a little bit new. Okay, now so you do the gag to that one. And that right there is how you do and perform the trick, the gag to the Magic Summer rock dancing hippo. So what you can do, because it involves the hippo and the rocks to go with it. That definitely brings the rock and roll with that one. Want to see how you get rock and roll? I'll show you. You put the rock in the roll. Whoops. Here, let me try that one again. Here, I'll use the rock here. I'll just show you. So you put the rock in the roll. Well, yeah, something like that. So it's like the rock in motion. Anyways, that is how you do the gag behind the dancing rock hippo. To our next one we get to our trick number 7, and that goes to the Magic Summer Kiwi Cup magic trick. Here's what this summer fruit will look like. So here's this interesting looking cup right here. Looks nice and kind of like island-like, but a little bit more tribal-like almost there. But it definitely brings the nature of the things with this one. Here's an interesting little thing. Watch as I just take this kiwi here. Watch. It turns into a pear in the cup. Whoa. Isn't that cool? So the kiwi now turned into a little pear in the cup. So how did I do this? I'll see it's done right now. So here's what you'll be needing for this magic trick. You'll need is this organic looking ancient like tribe-like cup that has nice interesting looking grooves on it. Then you'll be eating a fake or real fruit, little pear, and a kiwi. You're going to choose from the kiwi to the pear, or the pear into the kiwi. Let's actually do the pear to kiwi in this one. Start off the kiwi, the pear up, and the kiwi just down here. That way has room so you can easily palm it. It's actually very palmable. Get the cup at the ready, like this. Place it in like this, and then you'll end up doing that. That's just in slow and showing you how it's done. And fast, it'll look like this. Like this. Palm this off, place it into a pocket, and show what the pear turns out into. The kiwi in the cup, you see, just right here. There it gets the summer fruit with that one, as well as the nature of things with that one, because of the nice, interesting looking thing, you see, just right here that I'm holding up to the camera. And that's how you do the magic trick to the Magic Summer Kiwi Cup magic trick. And that puts us down directly to our next nature magic trick, but to our nature magic trick number 8, and that goes to the Magic Appearing Summer Shell Necklace magic trick. Is like this will appear like. Okay, so here I'm going to actually make a shell necklace to appear. Kind of an interesting down-to-earth one. Watch. Whoa. Wow. Fancy appearing. Watch this. So this is to make it disappear. And make this disappear. And make it reappear again. So how did I do the appearing of the soul necklace? This one here that looks very down to earth like. As is about to reveal the secrets. All you need is this soul necklace here that has beads on it, and it looks very, very down to earth like. It has a little bit of green. It has a shell on it, or you see just right here. This is actually done in it. Leather and bead work. You see just right here. What I want to do is take the bead part here and put it into your tummy right here, and this is connected to your armpit like this. So it looks like this. It's gonna actually go out like this, like that. If it gets to the back of the hand, that's okay too. So you're going to do this very quickly, like this. If it gets on here, like that, then it's it looks pretty cool that it actually appeared that way too. So you can have it appear when it's on the back of your hand, or just as a simple go like this, and have the soul necklace to appear. And as I do, the magic summer appearing soul necklace magic trick. Down to our trick number we get to our trick number 9, and that goes to the magic multiplying twig cones magic trick. So this will multiply like. Okay, so here I got is a twig here. I got only one pine cone. What you're gonna actually is make it multiply by more. Watch this. Let's place it in my hand just like this. That one. Watch this. 2, the summer of magic. And by magic, the multiply in my hand. So how to do this? I'll show you. All you need is a twig. And for more pine cones, not ice cream cones, but the cones I was talking about was the pine cones. We'll need 4 more. We'll only just do 3 for this one. Or 2, depends on the size of your hand. Okay, what you want to do is start off palming the pine cones in here while holding on to the twig and holding on to one. What you're going to do is you're going to pass this into the lot in your hand here, and then put it back in your hand like this. Twig now holds into this hand as a wave under or wave on top, and say to the nature of magic, like that, and have multiply in the palm of your hand by the use of a nature twig. And that right there is how you do and perform the magic trick 2, the magic appearing, the magic multiplying twig cones magic trick. Bringing us down to our next magic trick, to our trick number 10, and that goes to the summer magic chop cup kiwi magic trick. And so this will look like. So here I got is this cup, and I got this a kiwi, and actually is make this completely vanish. Okay, like that. And I got this cup here, and it actually is placed in here. Now it may have vanished. Watch this. It comes right back. So how I did this? I'll show you. All you'll need is some nice interesting looking cup here, and a nice bowl dish, the same as from before, and the kiwi, the small. What you're going to do is the French drop. Like this. Point. Make it to vanish. Or if you want to, get yourself a twig and make it vanish. Then you're going to is get your cup at the ready, place this in just like that. So the bowl, place this in bottom, and pull this up like this. And by magic, it disappears and ends up back in the cup. You see just here. And that right there is how you do the magic trick 2, the magic kiwi chop cup magic trick. Let's right down to our next trick we get to, that goes to Okay, that one's 1. That is 2, the magic shell necklace combo magic trick. This is what this will look like. So here, guys, a shell necklace. Let's reach in and watch. I pull out a shell, and there I'm gonna I'll place this down now. We'll go and take the shell and watch this. Whoa! A shell within a shell. Interesting. Wow, cool. So how did I do the 2? The combo? I'll show you. Here's what you need to pull this one off. All you'll need is a shell necklace and 2 seashells of different size and form. You're going to take one and palm it, and you're going to hold this one up like this, while holding on to the necklace like this. Like that. So there's a hold. You're going to go in and pull out this very quickly. Make sure that you do it quickly like this. Go in and dress it out like this. This now can go into your pocket. Like that. You're going to keep this palmed, place the other shell, cover it like this, and you're going to throw this down like this. Like that. And by magic, you get a little something extra from the shell. The shell, give it a toss, and a shell mysteriously comes out of it. There it gets some of the seashells within that one. I know how this one was done and pulled. And that right there is how you do the magic trick 2, the magic seashell necklace combo magic trick. Coming into our next one, into our 12th one, and that goes right to the great balancing finger feather magic trick. Here's what this will look like. I wonder if we got a feather over here. What is this? Look. Watch this. Are you ready? By magic, bounces on the tip of my finger. So how did this one? By the feather on my finger? I'll show you. Okay, so all you need is a feather, and you're going to tape on a penny, and you're going to paint it the same color as the feather. You're going to find it put it on the ground, pick it up. You're going to wave it over. You tip your finger like this, and you want to place it under where the weight is there. That way it stays bouncing on the tip of your finger, and just move it around just like that. And that's how you get bird feathers to bounce on the tip of your fingers. Just like that. There it gets the bird feather within this one. And that right there is how you do the trick 2, the great balancing finger feather trick. Bring us down to our 13th one, and that is the restoring nature crunch bar magic trick. Is what this will nature crunch like. So here I got this nature crunch bar. I'll just pick it like this. Watch this. I'll just hold it together just like that. Watch what I'm gonna do, and have it to repair. So how I do this one? I'll show you this is done right now. So here it goes into the nature crunch bar. Which is what you'll see just right here. Nature Valley Crunch. This is actually a granola bar. Oats and honey. You see just right here. What you need is 1 and a second one. You're going to hide one palm and break in the middle. So place it in, retain these, and pull this out from the back of it like this. And by magic, it restores. Get these a ditch into your lap, and so the nature crunch bar nice and restored. And that brings us down to our next one, to our trick number 14, and that is the magic great sea king shell magic trick. Here's what this will look like. So what I have is 1 gold coin, and I got is this king shell. You see here that has a crown onto it. Watch this. Just place this one in to the shell like this. Watch what will happen if I can get a little bit of summer magic with this. Watch. By magic, I get gold coins. How's this one done? I'll show you. All you need is one gold coin, king shell, place it into here just like that. On the ground, pick this up, so gold coin, a place in the inside just like this. Then you just give a little shake, like that. And then you're just gonna go like this. Get it down by like that, and by magic, it multiplies by the king shell. Why is it a king? Because it has a crown shape onto it, you see, just right here. And that right there is how you do the magic summer king shell magic trick. There it gets the shell of the king with this one. To our 15th one we get to, and that is the magic salt from the water trick. Here's what this will look like. So here I got is the water. Right, you can see the water. Man, they're gonna actually just get salt from it. Okay, I'm gonna get that. It's gonna be really hard getting salt from the water. Really hard. Watch this. Just make sure my hand's nice and dried first, like that. Okay, my hand's nice and dried. I'm gonna rinse it in again and watch. Salt from the water. So how do I do this one? I'll show you this is done right now. Gotta do this quickly because guess what we're having? A storm. So here I'm going to is get these fixed on, and we'll get into some salter. But it definitely makes for a great video scene shot, a nice and cool one. It's nice and cool out now, being out inside of it right now for a bit. Anyways, here's how it's done. All you need is 2 containers, one with water and one with coarse salt. Right here. You're going to is put this behind, hold it just like that. That way, you don't see it from over here. All you see is this, because this cancels itself out. So you're gonna hold it like this, go in first to the water, and go like this. So you can see, go into the water, go like that, and so the water coming off your fingers, and then you're going to use this to give that a dry off onto your shirt. Or by the use of a towel to get it nice and dry. Why? You don't want to put a wet hand into the salt in the back here. Like this. Then you're going to go in like this. Pull out the salt. Way over. And so the salt from the water, just like that. And so you get salt from the water. The magic trick is what to call the magic salt from the water trick. What are you gonna do? Because it involves the water and the salt with this one. To our 16th one we get to, and that goes to the Great Magic Turtle Rock Cover Magic Trick. Here's what this will look like. So here I got this nice twig for a wand. The magic happened, and here I got my nice cover here and the rock. We're going to do something very magical with it. I'm going to take this rock here. I'm going to just going to go on here like that. I'm going to just give that rock a cover, just like this. I'll take this. Watch what I could do to the Summer of Nature. Watch. By magic, it turns into a turtle. So how did I do this one? I did it by to reveal the NatureFunMagic 2 right now. All you need are some simple NatureFunMagic things. And as we go see right here, you'll need is a fake turtle. You'll need a rock the same size as the turtle. You'll need is a thick twig from outside to create the magic wand. And then you'll need is this camo scarf you see on my arm here. You're going to is have this into a pocket for now. You're going to is first hide the turtle under the scarf like this. We're going to hold on to it just like that. I'm going to go and get that rock. Shove the rock. And have it on here like this. You take a stick like this. So you can actually use it for a wand after. Pocket. Take the rock. Go under. And you're going to do just put this under a tip like that. And then place this on top. Like that. Go get your stick here. And you're going to go over like this and say to the summer of... Wait, I'll get this in this shot here. Of magic. Get a tap. And then pull this off like this. And by magic, it turns into a tortoise or a turtle. You see, is it here? When it's done, present. And that right there is how you do the magic trick 2. The magic great turtle rock cover magic trick. Coming up after our 10th installment, we'll get into our Egyptian magic tricks from installments 11, 12, 13, and 14. Will be all Egyptian, so 4 videos for Egyptian magic tricks that will definitely probably launch its way into our Halloween 6 videos when that comes. Before we get to this next magic trick, I want to keep it posted, and that is coming up very quickly here from after this. We'll get into our back to school tricks videos. Let's keep it posted within this video. Anyways, here's our last trick to our 17th one. That is to the Great Magic Gator Hat trick prank. Here's what this will look like. But first things first, take a look at my hat. It looks very beaten up. Why? I wonder what happened to it. Okay, so here I took my hat off after showing you guys it there. I'll just pick it up again so you can see my hat right here. That is, let's place it up front right there. We'll see why it was like that. Okay, what? Okay, why is it moving? Stay. No, stay. What's... Whoa! An alligator! No wonder why my hat looks like this. I got to. You've been pranked. How's this one done? I'll show you how this is done right now. All you'll need is what you'll see just here. I'll come around and I'll show you what I've done to make this happen. Here are the things that you'll need to get for this one. As you'll see, just right over there, you will be needing is the star of it, which is just a fake crocodile. And what you need to go for it is hat. As you see right there, straw hat, beaten up or something like that. And to go with it, you'll need is a twig branch, and you're going to attach a monofilament fishing line onto it. And you'll be needing in the back of it is a paper clip. You're going to actually put this onto your straw hat. That's what's going to allow it to move on the park bench. You're going to is take this here, the full back, the clipper here, and you're going to is just feed it in through it, into the straw parts of the hat, just like this, and put it on just like that, so it clips onto your hat Just like that. Make sure it clips on around the rim of the hat right there. And now that you got it attached, you are good. You are good to go. So here is your truss that'll pull your straw hat. Then you'll get is this. At the ready, you're gonna place this into the hat just like this, like that, and hold on to it just like this in the back. Make sure they don't even see it yet. And then you're going to is place the hat down and maybe like this. And then you're going to move it like this. Do that 2 or 3 times like this. Then pick up the hat, as a surprise, and you see an alligator that was responsible for moving your hat. You see, just here. Now, as this is going to rain, and that here now brings the video to a wrap. I'll see you back for our Egyptian magic tricks. When you see it, peace. Now gonna pack up like as if I was a jackrabbit. For watching this video.